Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. I've been expecting you. I hope that you are having a great day today. I'm having a good day because I'm feeling very fall. Feeling very cozy. It's also 85 degrees out, but let's not think about that. I thought today I would kick it off with my first fall look. All matte, pretty easy. I used a palette with, what else would I use? But fall is my favorite season. I'm very excited. If you're as excited for fall as I am, then let's just get into it. For this look, I'm not priming my eyelids with concealer. I'm actually going to be using the original Urban Decay primer potion. There's not a color to it. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my lid. Then I'm using a NYX Liquid Lid Lingerie, I think. They're just lid lingeries and they're matte. So it's pretty much just like a liquid eyeshadow that's matte. I've used it as a base before for other looks, and I'm going to be doing it to basically set the base for the look. If you are doing like a dark shadow, if you do a dark base under it, it really like makes it a very saturated color, which is what I want. I'm just blending that on the lid, and then I'm going to be winging it outwards. Winging the shape out. So from the lower lash line, just flicking it outwards like a wing, but then connecting it back to the shape that we have in the lid. As such, if you don't have this or some kind of liquid shadow like this, you can use a lip liner, an eyeliner, a gel liner, anything like that. Then I'm using the Naked Heat palette. I'm going to be going in with this shade right here to set that. Just using the brush that it came with, using the flat packing side basically. I'm taking the same shade here with my Morphe 3305, which is a small taper blending brush, going in with the same shade that we used to set the crease, and just basically blending it out so it's not a harsh line. With a big fluffy brush, just going into these two colors mixed and going above that. Again, just to blend it and diffuse it, not have an awkward harsh line. Here I'm just using a black eyeliner. I'm using the Smashbox one, and I'm just going to be pretty much just lining the top lid, not too carefully because I'm going to go ahead and smudge it out. Comes to basically the end of the lash line, I'm kind of just building it up so we can smoke it out. Then using this Morphe M508, which is just, I think, just a smudger brush, just smudging that line. And because that Naked Heat palette did not have a black, I'm just using this single eyeshadow. It's Corrupt from Makeup Geek. Just still taking that smudger brush and going over where we smudged that liner. Going in with a mixture of these two colors here. They're plummy burgundy again, and going over the black but building it upwards. So we're creating from darkest to lightest. And flicking that towards the wing over here. And smoking that out with this shade right here, which was our beginning transition shade. So I'm going to be cutting under this lower lash line to just clean up the wing right there. I'm just using concealer. If you do this look, or if you flick out shadow or anything like this, you can totally do your eyes first and complexion after. So when you do clean up this, you can just use a makeup wipe. And then the Naked Heat palette also did not have a matte white shade, so I'm using the NYX Single Matte Eyeshadow in Whipped Cream. It's just a matte white shadow. Highlighting under the brow bone and the inner corner. And bringing that white shadow in the inner like tear duct. It's my personal opinion. I think that when you do darker shadow, and if you have a wider or brighter color in the inner corner, it really wakes your eyes up and not makes them look so closed off like a dark shadows can do. So for the lower portion of the eye, I'm going to be using the same Lid Lingerie. I don't think I even mentioned the color, but it's 13 A-line. If that means anything to you. Just taking a little bit, and I'm going to be taking it on just a small angled brush, putting it in the waterline here. And I don't bring it in all the way, but I stop about, I don't know, I guess that's like 3/4 of the eye. Get it under the lash line as well, so we can smoke it out. Flat end of the brush from the Naked Heat palette, I'm just taking this shade and this shade, mixing it together, and smoking out that color. Then taking that black eyeliner again, the one I'm using is Smashbox, just doing it on the very corner here with Makeup Geek Corrupt, which is just a black single eyeshadow. It with my Morphe M508 and just smudging that black out right there, just the corner of it. And then using He Devil right here, which was our transition color from the top lid now onto the bottom portion of the lid, and smoking all of those out. Just gonna do some mascara. Have you seen this? The new NARS Climax? Look how beautiful. So I'm gonna put some lashes on and BRB. I hope you guys liked watching this, and I hope you recreate this if you feel like you like it. Did you like it? I don't know. You're watching it. But I hope that you did like it, because I like it, and I think I look like a cute vampire. So if you guys like this as well, please leave a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe below so you can see me do more things. That was vague. Up to your interpretation. I hope you have a good day, night, evening, dawn, a good time. I hope you have a good time, and I'll see you later.